In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a group on Facebook. So this is one of the most simplest things you can do on Facebook, but then it's been searched a lot on YouTube, so I decided to make a video on this. So just open your Facebook like this. In this video, I'm using Facebook Lite, but you can use the normal Facebook app. The procedure is quite the same. So what you need to do is just open your profile like this. Just come back here to this side, and here you can see groups here. You get to tap on the groups. And you can see a plus there and the create a group. So tap on the create a group here. So now go on, give the group a name, a category, privacy, and then you're good to go. So let me give the group name. Let me make it our channel's name, and let's change the privacy to a public. Okay, so it's already chosen as a public. So you can add a picture if you want to. So let me try uploading a picture here. So let me use this NFL guys picture. It's going to take some time to upload, so let's wait here. So yeah, the picture is here. So now we go on and then create the group. So you can see our group has been created, so we need to invite some friends here. So let me just invite this single friend, and then yes, let me try share the group by getting a link so I can copy the QR code, and I'm good to go. So now that's it. So now you can create a group on Facebook. So you can see this is the group, there's a picture I uploaded there. I can invite friends here. I can add a description, a cover photo, invite friends here by tapping here. You can create a post, you can add a description. You get it? So that's it on how you can create a group on Facebook. Very much simple and easy. If you're new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.